guys, welcome to the How To channel. Have you ever wondered, can you use these beer bottles for something else? Not just to return them to the store or to throw them away in a trash, but really to use it again and again and again. Today we are going to cut these bottles in a perfect straight line so we can get a perfectly usable glass. Let's get to it. All you need to do this project is a simple glass cutter. The cheapest one you can find will get the job done. If you want to have a straight line on your bottle, you need to put your cutter against flat surface. So this flat surface on the cutter, you need to lay it down on the flat surface like this. Because if it's not, it will wiggle around and then you will get very wiggly line on your bottle. And because it's possible to move left and right also, you want to use something to fix that movement so your glass cutter is totally fixed against two surfaces. Now just press this bottle against glass cutter and rotate it around. As you can see right here, we got pretty straight line. Let's repeat the same process with all other bottles. This time we have put it a little bit higher so we can have a higher glass. Okay, next up is a little bit of hot and cold water treatment. Take a hot water and pour it over the glass bottle. And now take that glass bottle and put it in icy water. If you can see right here, the cutting line spread itself a little bit. So basically, continue with this process. Nice. No need to continue the process. It's pretty nice edge right there. Let's repeat the same process with the other bottles. Nice. All right, another one. And that's it. Now one final thing that we need to do with these small glasses is we need to sand this sharp edge right here, because this was a rough cut. This edge is not so perfect, so I do not want to get cut while I'm drinking something from this or while kids play with it. So now we will go to the garage and we will sand it. But before we do that, if you have found any value in this video, I would like for you to hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you for that. Now let's finish this. Any sandpaper that you got laying around will do the trick. Of course, this would be much easier if you had sand machine, but we are going old school. Something like this. Repeat this exact process with each one of them and you will have pretty nice glasses. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.